Student, in NCERT, one of the question is given regarding the pentahalides. Getting? We have discussed earlier that the pentahalides are lesser stable for the higher elements. Okay, but for the lighter elements, these are more stable molecule as compared to the pentahalides of their higher elements. So regarding there is one of the question, are all PCl bonds, actually there are 5 PCl bonds, therefore are all PCl bonds in PCl5 equivalent in length? We have to justify answer by drawing the structure. Getting? So according to hybridization, okay, phosphorus shows which type of hybridization? What? 5 Cl atom, and the Cl atoms are monovalent, that is they require 5 orbitals. So the 5 orbitals will be S1 orbital plus P 3 orbitals, so 1 plus 3 4, and therefore one more orbital, what? D1. Therefore what? Hybridization phosphorus shows what? sp3 d1, and sp3 d1, this is, you know, according to VSEPR theory, what? Trigonal bipyramidal. So student, the structure of PCl5 can be given as, this is what? Central phosphorus atom. Now the 3Cl, okay, located forming trigone, okay, with respect to phosphorus. That means what? 1, 2, and this is what? 3. And here you can write here one of the Cl, next Cl, and next Cl. So it forms what? Trigone, like that. This is what? Trigone. But due to presence of the 3 bond pair very close to phosphorus and the surrounding Cl atom, these 3 bond pair repels to more PCl bond with larger extent. Therefore, one of the Cl occupies the upper axis while the next Cl occupies the down, okay, up from the phosphorus. Now, being it is more in length, it is because more repulsion by the 3 bond pair, therefore their bond length is slightly higher as compared to the PCl. Okay. There are actually 2 type of bonds. This bond, this is called equatorial bond. Okay, while the 2 PCl bond present in down and up to the axis is known as what? Axial bond. So there are 2 type of bonds. Now the bond length is higher, so here the bond length is slightly what? Higher due to more repulsion, while it is what? Little shorter. Okay, like here you can say this is of only 200 picometer and this is of 202 picometer. Now what about the structure? The structure becomes, if you draw the structure in this way, okay, now this 1, 2, 3 will form what? Trigonal. While if we judge P 1, 2, 3 Cl3, then it will become one of the pyramid, and here one more pyramid is present, like here. So the 2 pyramids are there. How it is? One downward pyramid and one is upward pyramid. Therefore 2 in the chemistry called what? Bi, and pyramidal in shape, therefore called pyramidal. So the structure become trigonal pyramidal. Student, if we discuss the bond angle, so there are 2 type of bond angle. One of the bond angle forming what? Trigonal is of what? 120 degree, while the axial is of what? 90 degree. So our answer will be what? No. What? No. All PCl bonds, okay, not equivalent. not equivalent, but two type of bonding is present. Two type of bonding is there. Number one, what? Axial. Axial. And how many axial? 3 PCl are axial in nature with what? Shorter bond length. Shorter bond length of 200 picometer. Getting? And bond angle is what? 120 degree. While number B, okay, equatorial. Okay, how many? 2 PCl, okay, are equatorial and what? Larger in size. Larger in size. And bond angle is what? Bond angle is 90 degree. So two type of bond angles are there. Okay, student, it is also very important question often asked against the 2 marks, where you have to draw structure, you have to justify your answer by giving the hybridization and by giving the two type of bonds.